Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim. First, you'll need to open a brokerage account with TD Ameritrade. This process typically involves providing personal information and linking a bank account for funding. Once your account is approved, make an initial deposit to activate it. After funding, you can download the Thinkorswim platform directly from the TD Ameritrade website. After downloading, launch Thinkorswim and log in using your TD Ameritrade credentials. Take a moment to explore the main interface, noticing the various tabs and panels. You can begin customizing your workspace by adjusting settings like themes, fonts, and default layouts. Personalizing these elements early on helps create an efficient and comfortable trading environment tailored to your needs. Thinkorswim offers a robust set of tools. Familiarize yourself with the main tabs such as Monitor, Trade, Analyze, and Charts. The Charts tab provides extensive technical analysis capabilities, while the Trade tab is where you'll place orders. Understanding where these key features are located will significantly improve your navigation and trading efficiency on the platform. Before trading with real money, utilize the paper money registered feature for practice. This simulated environment allows you to place trades with virtual funds, mimicking real market conditions. Experiment with different order types, such as market, limit, and stop orders, to understand their execution. Review your simulated performance to refine your strategies before transitioning to live trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.